What is the right course of action? A. The blue truck has to allow me to pass through. B. I have to allow the blue truck to pass through. C. I have to allow the tractor to turn. The correct answers are B and C. You are facing the give way sign and must yield to all traffic on the priority road. What is the right course of action? A. I take priority before the bus. B. I have to allow the bus to pass through. C. I have to allow the motorcycle to pass through. The correct answers are A and C. You must yield to the motorcycle because, by turning left, you must yield to oncoming traffic continuing straight. What is the right course of action? A. I take priority before the bus. B. I have to allow the bus to pass through. C. I have to allow the motorcycle to pass through. The correct answers are A and C. You must yield to the motorcycle because, even though you are on the priority road, you are turning left, and the motorcycle is oncoming and driving straight ahead on the same priority road. What is the right course of action? A. I may be the first to make my turn. B. I may only turn after the motorcycle. C. I may turn before the yellow car. The correct answers are B and C. You must turn only after the motorcycle because, when turning left, you must yield to oncoming traffic that is proceeding straight. You are driving on a road that has a protective lane for cyclists. How may you use the protective lane? A. If there is no risk to cyclists, I may stop on the protective lane. B. If there is no risk to cyclists, I may drive on the protective lane when necessary. C. If there is no risk to cyclists, I may park on the protective lane. The correct answer is B. You may drive on the protective lane when necessary, but must not endanger cyclists. It is prohibited to stop or park on the protective lane. What is the right course of action here? A. I allow the yellow vehicle to pass through. B. I take the turn ahead of the yellow vehicle. C. I take the turn ahead of the red car. The correct answer is A. You are facing the give way sign. This means you must yield to all traffic on the priority road. the right thing to do? A. I have to allow the red car to pass. B. I give way to the green car. C. I turn left before the green car. The correct answer is B. You are turning left and must give way to the green car, which is oncoming traffic proceeding straight ahead. The red car is turning left from a side street onto your road and must yield to you. What is the right thing to do? A. I have to give way to the motorcycle. B. I have to give way to the blue car. C. I may drive out before the blue car. The correct answers are A and B. You are facing the give way sign and a supplementary sign indicating the priority road bends. You are turning right onto the priority road. Therefore, you must give way to all traffic on the priority road, which includes both the motorcycle . Who has priority here? A. The electric scooter. B. The red truck. C. Me. The correct answer is A. You are turning left and must yield to all oncoming traffic. The electric scooter is approaching from the opposite direction and is continuing straight, meaning it has priority over your turning vehicle. What is the right course of action here? A. I may proceed ahead of the green car. B. The green car may proceed ahead of the red car. C. I may proceed ahead of the red car. The correct answer is B. You and the red car both face give way signs. Thus, the right before left rule applies between the red car and the green car. The green car has priority over the red car. Both must proceed before you.